Hello guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku. In this additional of today's newspaper of Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday. Weekend, still weekend. February the 20th, 2021. Three puzzles left. Sudoku with 4 stars. Tectonic with 4 stars and a binary. I will solve. Alright. Second Sudoku will be number 2359. Alright. And you can see 25 printed digits. Yes, I've already counted. Very strange that the publisher again published for a 4-star Sudoku 25 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, only place for the 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in this box. So the 7 could be here or there in this column. We see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, only place for the 7 should be there. Alright. Look, we have a 1, no. We have a 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 4 should be there. Alright. Yeah. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for a 2 should be there. Alright. And 2 missing numbers in this column. Those numbers are the 4 and the 6 are missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 4 goes there. 3, 6, 8, 3. Yeah. Could be a hard one, this one. Well. Yeah. Okay. We have a pair. 5 and a 7 in the third column, 5 and a 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the 5 and the 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4, 4. Yeah. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 9. We have a 4 and a 9 in this row. So no 4 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the third pair in this big square should be the numbers 1 and the 6. 1 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Yes. And we have a 1 and a 6 in this row. 1 and 6 in the middle row, so the row above. The 1 and the 6 goes in these 2 boxes. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 number left in the middle, a row for the number 9. 8, 8. Yeah. 3, 3. 8, 8. Let me think. Yeah, it could be a hard one. 5 in the last column. 5 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 and a 4 in this row. So no 2 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. So the other pair in this big square should be the numbers 6 and 7. 6 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 here, so this can't be 6 anymore. This should be the 6. And this should be a 1. 2 boxes left in the last column should be reserved for the 8 and the 1. 8 and a 1. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 8 and a 1. So here should be the 3 is missing, 4 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and look, we have a 2 and a 3 here. So this box can be 2 or 3. The 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 4. 2 boxes left in the last row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 8 are missing. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes there. Now we have an 8 here. So this box can't be 6 anymore. This box should be the 6. And this should be a 1. Alright. 6, 6. 5, 7. 3 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing number in the third row is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 9 are missing. 8 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1, 3. Yes, 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. We have here 4 and a 9. That means the other pair should be 5 and a 7. 5 and a 7. So the 8 is missing. 8 should be in one of those two boxes, the 8. Alright, alright. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column, so in the first column the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 5, 5. 3, 3. 3, 4, 1, and 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column, so in the first column the only place for the 6 should be there. 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. Let me think. 2 boxes left in the first column should be the numbers 1 and 1 and 4. 1 and 4 are missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 1 goes there. Alright. So the 4 should be here. No. 1, 4, 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 9. 3 and 9. Now we have a 3 in one of those two boxes in this row. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. This box should be a 3. And this should be a 2. So 2 boxes. Oh, we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be an 8. And this should be a 1. 1 box left in this row for the number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 5, 6, and 8 are missing in this big square. 5, 6, and 8 are missing. And look, we have a 6 and an 8 here in this column. So no 6 and 8 in this box. 6 and 8 goes in those two boxes. Let me mark those. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 1 and 7. 1 and 7 are missing in this column. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and 1 goes there. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the first row, so in the row between the second row, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this can't be 4 anymore. This should be the 4. And this should be a 2. 1 box left in the first row for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. 2 and 6. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can't be 6 anymore. This should be the 6. And this should be an 8. Alright. 1 box left in this column for the number 5. Yes. Now we have a 5 there, so this cannot be 5 anymore. This should be a 5. And this should be a 7. 1 box left in this row for the number 8. 8 is missing. 1 number left in this big square for the number 7. And the final 2 numbers, the 4 and the 9. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Alright, no. 2 numbers left. 3 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 3 goes there. Alright, completed. in 50 minutes exactly. Yes, and I'm very pleased with the time. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will continue in a minute with the last two puzzles, a binary and a tectonic puzzle are left. See you then. Bye bye for now.